How to burn in subtitles to video. First, go to Video, open Video File, and select the video you want. Now, go to File, open Keyed Video, and open the subtitle you want to burn into your video. Now go to Video, generate video with Burn in Subtitle. Here you can change the font size and font family of subtitle, and if your subtitle is in a right-to-left language, you can check Fix right-to-left Unicode control characters or align right checkboxes. If you want your subtitles to have background, check the opaque box option. You can click on Preview button to see a preview of the subtitle. In the video section, you can set some properties like video resolution or encoding. You also have some options for the audio like encoding, stereo on mono, sample rate, and bit rate. If you want to change the result file size, you have to check Target File Size, which requires 2-pass encoding, resulting in more time to burn subtitle, but I leave it unchecked. At last, click on Generate button and set a name and format and click Save. And now subtitle is burned into video.
Julia had always loved music, ever since she was a little girl.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.